Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, जैसा कि आपके मालूम है कि हम पिछले 2-4 दिनों से आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का एक टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं, बोली, जो बेसिकली एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी है। वो तो आपको मालूम है कि जो इसका मेन कैरेक्टर है वो बोली ही है। एंड नाउ प्राइमरी स्कूल वाज ओपनड in the village, and Ramlal, being a head of the village, he was asked by the concerned Tahsildar that you are the head of the village and you have to set an example for others. They will follow you. First of all, you have to admit your daughters in the school. And accordingly, Ramlal admitted, talked with his wife about that we have to that they have to admit their girls in the school, and her wife refused. Later on she was convinced and they decided to send this Bohli to the school. Now when they reached the school, when Ramlal take his girl to the school, the children were already in the classroom. The other children were already in the classrooms. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmaster, and he left alone. The poor girl looked about her with fear-laden eyes. He left her alone there, and now the girl was fearing. वो डर रही थी. She was upset. She was looking around and was her eyes were laden with fear. वो डर रही थी, सहमी हुई थी. There were several rooms. In the school there were so many rooms, and in each room girls like her scattered on mats, and in each room girls were scattered. Other girls were scattered, sitting on their heels. Scattered means were sitting on their heels on mats, reading from books or writing on slates. These girls were reading from their books, or they were something writing on their slates. कुछ किताबें पढ़ रही थी और कुछ स्लेट पर लिख रहे थे. The headmistress asked Boli to sit down in a corner in one of the classroom. The headmistress of that school, she asked Boli to sit down. अब नीचे बैठो, आप बैठ जाओ. In a corner of the school, in a corner in one of the classrooms. एक कोने में बैठो, इस क्लासरूम के किसी कोने में आप बैठ जाओ. Boli did not know what exactly a school was like and what happened there. Boli was not knowing what kind of situations are going on in the schools, what kind of tasks are going on in the schools, and basically she has not gone to school before that. Now, but she was glad to find so many girls almost. But to some extent she was very much happy when she saw the other kinds of girls in that school, almost of her own age, present there. The other girls, they were also having the age of the Boli. She hoped that one of these girls might become her friend, and Boli hoped that one of the girls would become a friend of her. इनमें से एक तो कम से कम एक कोई बच्ची जो है उसकी दोस्त बन जाएगी. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls, but Boli couldn't understand nothing. There was a lady teacher in the school and she was teaching something to the girls, but as far as the Boli is concerned, she was unable to understand. बने बोली को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि ये टीचर क्या पढ़ा रही है. She looked at the pictures on the wall. Boli was looking on the wall. She was looking towards the pictures. वो शक्लों की तरफ देख रही थी, जो दीवारों पर आवीज़ान तस्वीरें थी उनको वो देख रही थी. The colors fascinated her. There were different colors in the classroom. Classroom has been decorated, and these colors attracted her. Fascinated means attracted her. The horse was brown, just like the horse on which the Tahsildar had come to visit their village. There was on the wall of the classroom there was a picture of horse, and the color of that was brown, and it was just like the horse on which the Tahsildar had come to their village. The goat was black. The goat, the color of the goat on the wall was black, just like the goat of their neighbor. ये उसकी बकरी की जो तस्वीर थी दीवार पर बनी हुई थी, उसको लग रहा था कि जो उसका कलर ब्लैक था, और इसी उसी तरह उनकी जो हमसाया की बकरी थी उसका कलर भी ब्लैक ही था. द पैरट वॉज ग्रीन लाइक द पैरट्स शी हैड सीन इन द मैंगो orchards. The color of the parrot was green, just like those parrots which she has seen in the mango orchards, in the mango gardens. And the cow was just like their Lakshmi, and the color of the cow was just like the Lakshmi. Lakshmi was the name of the cow of Ramlal. यानी उनकी जो घर में गाय थी उसका कलर इस कलर काऊ के साथ मिल रहा था. And suddenly Bohli noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. And suddenly Bohli noticed means find. He find that the teacher was standing by her side. The teacher was looking at her. She was smiling at her. टीचर उसकी तरफ देख रहा था और वो हंस रहा था, उसकी तरफ स्माइल कर रहा था. What is your name, little one? Now the teacher posed question to the Bohli. He asked Bohli what is her name. What her name was. Bohli, आपका नाम क्या है? Boh boh boh. She could stammer no further than that. Now basically she was stammering. वो pausing कर रही थी while talking. She was stammering, यानी रुक रुक कर बातें करना. This is called a stammer. Bohli also stammered. Then she began to cry and tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flood. Now after this Bohli started crying. Bohli अब चिल्लाने लगी and tears flowed from her eyes. Now the tears were coming down from her ears, rolling down. Flowed from her eyes means tears were coming out from her eyes in a helpless flood. Means she was feeling helpless. वो अपने आप को हेल्पलेस तस्वर महसूस कर रही थी. She kept her head down. She kept her head down. She kept her head down. वो अपना सर जो है नीचे कर रही थी. And she sat in her corner, and she was sitting in one of the corners of the room, not daring to look up at the girls. Now she was not having the courage. She was not so bold to look up at the girls. वो अपना सर नीचे की तरफ किया हुआ था उसने, और उसको हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी कि वो लड़कियों की खड़ा होकर लड़कियों की तरफ देखती. She knew were still laughing at her because the girls who were in the classroom, they were laughing at her. वो उसको देखकर हंस रही थी. When the school bell rang, all the girls scared out of the classrooms. When the bell was rung, जब घंटी बज गई, all the children, they left the classrooms and they scared means run or hurriedly from their classrooms, but Bohli dared not to leave her corner. No, and the Bohli remained there. She don't move from the classroom. Her head still lowered. Her head was still lowered. Her head was still down. She kept on sobbing. She was weeping. Sobbing means weeping. She was weeping. फिर वो रो रही थी. इस तरह से आपने देख लिया कि बोली जो है पहले दिन जो इसका स्कूल में था, how much she feared, and when her teacher asked her what her name was, she cried and was feeling helpless, and she don't dare to look up at the girls who were laughing at her. So this means a kind of fearness is in her mind. This is the first day of her school, and she was having in her mind that she is not looking good, and the other girls are laughing at her. So there was the one thing which could make her glad. एक चीज़ जो था जो उसको मतलब खुश कर रही थी when she saw the different kinds of pictures on the classrooms, the colors, these fascinated her. वो चीज़ उसको फैसिनेट कर रहे थे, अट्रैक्ट कर रही थी, वो चीज़ें उसको अच्छी लगी वहाँ पर स्कूल पर. अब आगे देखते हैं कि स्कूल में उसको टीचर किस तरह की मदद करता है और हाउ शी इज़ बीइंग ट्रीटेड इन द स्कूल, ये आगे हमें पता चलेगा. तो फ़िलहाल हम आज के दिन में इतना ही करेंगे क्योंकि वीडियो अपलोड करने में थोड़ा सा जो है मुश्किल हो जाता है. बाकी इंशाल्लाह हम कल देखेंगे. तो ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, या आप इनके मानी देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू.